Hello, to add shortcut to power key on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, then scroll down to find advanced features, you select it and then you go into side button. Here you can turn on or off the double press shortcut, and you can choose if you want to quick launch camera or open application by this double press. By selecting open app, you can go into this gear icon and select which app should have been opened by using this shortcut. Let's, for example, I don't know, get a clock here, and now if I double press the power key, it should open the alarm, as you can see, the clock. That's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.